Jiean High-Tech Virtual Simulation Training Base is located in Zhengzhou, a transportation hub in central China. It is a comprehensive skills training center integrating multiple fields such as rail transit, aviation, emergency safety, intelligent manufacturing, and navigation. Built on Jiean High-Tech's own technology platform, the base applies virtual simulation, extended reality, digital twin, big data analysis and other cutting-edge technologies. To develop a series of physical training equipment that features combination of virtual and real-world elements and linkage between hardware and software, as well as online training software. It covers training for multi-level skills, including basic skills, safety skills and professional skills, which can meet various skills training needs. Basic skills training mainly focuses on work related to high and low voltage electrical operations, welding, working at heights, confined space operations, etc., catering to the training and assessment of entry-level skills and safety practices. Safety skills training includes workplace injury prevention, production safety management, emergency rescue, etc., enhancing trainees' safety awareness and skills through highly immersive experience. Professional skills training is in alignment with relevant occupational standards, recreating real-world work scenarios through virtuality and reality combination, and offering theory-practice integrated training across diverse fields.
信号开放，完装关闭，到点开车。
Training in the field of rail transit fully supports the rail vehicle technology skill of World Skills Competition, covers positions such as driving, power supply, operation control, signaling, train reception and dispatch, ticketing, and track maintenance, allowing not only single-position training, but also multi-position joint drills. Training in the field of aviation is guided by the aircraft maintenance skill of World Skills Competition, and aims to meet the needs of the industry. It builds a comprehensive aviation training system centered on serving the aircraft maintenance skill, covering subsystems such as aircraft engines, communication, hydraulic systems, etc. Training in the field of future transportation keeps up with the trend of intelligence and connectivity in the global automotive industry. The base leverages Jiean High-Tech's technological strengths to develop training solutions tailored to positions applying automotive intelligent technology, providing means to cultivate a new generation of highly skilled talents that adapt to the rapid development of the industry. As for training in the field of intelligent manufacturing, Jiean High-Tech explores skills training solutions in CNC technology, mobile robotics, and integrated circuits, and looks to expand its training scope to cover more fields based on global skills development trends, serving the world skills vision and contributing to the sustainable growth of global skills. Through its self-developed intelligent management and control platform, the base has achieved full process monitoring, real-time data collection and analysis for training equipment, participants, and training activities. Based on the data collected, various training reports can be generated, which provides data support for more efficient talent cultivation and a digital, intelligent model for global skills development. Since its establishment, Jiean High-Tech Virtual Simulation Training Base has undertaken a variety of training for employees, trainers and trainees, and actively engaged in science popularization and skills exchange activities, continuously driving the digital and intelligent upgrading of technical and vocational education and training. In the future, the base aims to serve as a bridge for international skills exchange and actively address the skills training needs of World Skills International and its members. Strives to establish a robust platform for global skills promotion, and by turning the gears of skills, to propel global economic growth.